what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have a Trendsend unboxing for you. If you're new here, hit the little bell here. Please like and subscribe. I do unboxings. I do Trendsend, Stitch Fix. So if you like these kind of unboxings, keep on watching. Okay, so with Trendsend, you pay $1. It's taken out of your account, and then they send you 3 bundles of clothing, and their prices range from $35 to upwards of $200 for jeans I've seen. In the box, I got 3 outfits. I get the envelope, you get your return label, as well as a letter from your stylist. My stylist is Ashley B, and your price sheet. So we're gonna get into the outfits, so just stay tuned. Okay guys, so the first outfit here, I asked for cobalt blue and some clearance items, but I didn't get any clearance items in this bundle. I asked for some mustard color and as well as cobalt. So the first item in the bundle I got are these Article Society jeans. They're stretchy. I love Article Society. I'm not sure if I have anything like this that has this wash, but at the bottom they have this cool like distressing, and then in the back it's just plain, nothing crazy, still like that wash. I really like it a lot. It has little A for Article Society. So these are Article Society, and the color is Trenton, size 25, and they're the Heather High Rise, and they're $68. So I don't know if you could see that. They're really cute. Okay, then she has it paired with this mustard color tank, which I love this. And it has a little bit of a cutout on the side. So let's see what this is called. This is the Payton Jensen mustard size extra small blue tank, and it's $48. And then they paired that with this really pretty like top that has some mustard and navy, which I love. It's a little wrinkly maybe from the shipping, but it's really nice. It's long sleeve. This is the pattern, and it's a longer type of top, so I love that. This is the Payton Jensen Becket Plaid Tunic, and it's $68. Okay, so we'll try that on and see if I like it. I really like that style. Okay, the next bundle we have right here. And the first item I saw were these, they're really tiny. So they're these Spanx Camo Leggins. I showed these to my kids, they're like, what are those? They're so tiny. They're the shape ones. They're seamless, and they're this camo color, which I really love. I don't own these. I actually own a black pair of these, and I really like them a lot. So these are the Spanx black camo size extra small essential camo seamless legging, and they're $68. There you go. Then she paired it with, which I really like, this top. It's really cute. It's fairly priced well. It's this white tank, and it's longer, so it covers, like it flows longer, and it covers your butt, and we'll see what it looks like. So I really like it a lot. It's a V-neck, and it's the Payton Jensen white extra small Parker Tunic tank, and it's $38. Really like that. And then she paired it with something else, mustard, which I really like. This little over jacket, and it has a tie which ties around it. This little like mustardy color tunic. I guess it's a tunic or like a cover up. Sunday in Brooklyn, mustard size extra small, Nicola belted wrap cardigan, and that's $68. Okay, the last and final outfit. Here we go. She has, it looks like a maxi dress, but I'm not sure. Yeah. So it's a maxi dress. This is a pretty pattern. And it comes down and it looks like there's some slits in the side. Actually, I don't think there's slits in the side. No. It's really cute. I like the pattern. So we'll see. There's the pattern on there. It's like blue, burnt orange, pink. Oh, there is a slit. Yeah, it's a pretty big slit on the side. So this is the Free People colors carbon, size extra small, through the vine printed maxi, and it's $108. Wow, it's pricey. This outfit's really pricey, this last one. Okay, what she has it paired with is this really, really soft jacket. I like the color. It's kind of like, it matches perfectly. It's very stretchy, and it looks like a moto jacket. And there's the back. And this is the Marquette Chipotle color, size extra small, Monica Moto jacket, and it's $148. Whoa, that's really steep. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is try on all these outfits, let you know what I think, and please leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think of this box. It's really appreciated. So let's get to it. Guys, so here is the first outfit. This overtop is really huge. I don't know, it's just not my style. I really like the pattern, but it's too big on me. There you go. It's really long. It may be cute with some black leggings, but I don't know, it's just not for me. Okay, the next top, take this off. And the top, it's really cute. I like how it sits, but I don't feel like it's worth $48. It's just not worth it to me. It's really cute though. I love the color, but this is probably gonna be going back. Next, I have the Article Society jeans. These are really nice. They fit really nice. I like how it has this. Really like that a lot. I mean, they fit really nice, but I have a few pairs of Article Society jeans, so this is probably gonna go back, but they are really comfortable. I like the wash on them as well. Okay, so here's the next outfit. I really like this over jacket, this mustard color. It fits me really nice. It has a tie, so you could tie it up, but I wouldn't wear it like this. I would just wear it open and the tie like this. This white top, I put it on and there's a hole in it. So I'm gonna have to let them know that I'm not keeping this due to that. I really love this top. It's really cute. It fits really nice. It looks great with this outfit, but I have to send it back due to the hole. I would have probably purchased it, but this is really cute, this top. So next we have is the Camo Spanx leggings. They're really nice. They're really cute. They fit really nice. So I'm gonna have to really think about these. These might be a yes. I'm not sure yet. I really like them a lot. They really suck everything in. So we'll see. But I really like this outfit. It's really cute together. Okay, so here's the last outfit. There's the Free People dress. I'll bring you down so you can see it. It's really flowy. It's pretty. It's a little long for me because I am short, but I like it a lot. It's pretty. It has some slits up the side, and only thing is, I mean, it's really low cut. And it shows my bra. I'm not sure what bra I would wear with this, but it's This jacket's really comfortable. So next, here is this jacket. It's really pretty and a really pretty color. I probably would get it if it wasn't so expensive. It's really comfortable. It's stretchy. It zippers up. So let's see what it looks like zippered up. I really like this a lot, but it's $148. I'm definitely not gonna get this. But if it goes on sale, I'll probably purchase it. It's really nice. I really like the color. But so I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts. So let me know, leave some comments and let me know what you think. Okay, so I'm gonna let you know what I think about these outfits. Article Society jeans. I have a few pairs from them, and I just bought a pair of jeans from my Stitch Fix. So I'm gonna pass on these, but they are really comfortable. Next is this top here. I could probably find this a lot cheaper somewhere else. It's $48. So I'm gonna have to pass on that. This was really cute, but it was too big. Just wasn't me, so I'm gonna have to pass. These Spanx, I really like these a lot. $68 is just not in the cards right now, so I'm gonna have to pass on these. I really like that outfit. Next, this white top, I have to send it back and let them know there was a snag in the front. I probably would have bought this. But you could see there's a hole in there, and see that? And I just have to send it back. Otherwise I would have bought it because it fits really nice. This I loved. I don't know, I'm torn on it. It's really nice, but I don't see spending $68 on something like this. I don't know. I really have to think about it, but I really liked it a lot. This outfit, this camo jacket, too expensive, $148. If it was on sale, I would get it. This Free People dress, it's really nice, but it's really tight right here. I don't know. I'm not looking to spend that much money. If this goes on sale, I'm definitely gonna buy it. But this box, Trendsend has been a bust for me. I haven't really found anything. Only thing lately I've been interested in this. It's just too expensive. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep doing these unboxings. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments if you wanna see them, see what products they have. But I've been striking out a lot lately. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.